Biggest myth about communication is thinking that communication is all about speaking. What if I told you that it's far more than that? It's about what you want, which is your outcome, and why you want to speak, which is your purpose. Here are the 3 steps in which you can find it out right now. We will discuss in this video. So if you check the mind map, I got every single thing covered, and we're going to go through step by step. This is a Japanese concept called Ikigai, and we are going to integrate AI also as a part of this particular video to see where we are going to move forward. So the first thing, what is Ikigai? It's the whole Japanese concept of finding your true purpose, and of course it comes out with the golden why. So golden why is a concept discovered by the legendary Simon Sinek. His TED talk just became so viral. It's crazy. If you go and you'll go to YouTube, you'll be able to find it out. But we are first discovering the Ikigai. So if you're able to see the screen there, you'll find out that first of all, it's a Japanese concept, and there are 4 different boxes that are there. Now these are the 4 questions that you need to ask yourself. First thing is, what are you good at? What do you love? What does the world need, and what can you be paid for? So as and when you ask yourself these questions with a very, very crystal clear mind, you will realize that there'll be certain answers that gets popped up. All you're supposed to do is just populate the entire answers, because once you do, you'll be able to see what you're good at and what you love. The conglomeration of the same is going to help you find your purpose. And then what you love and what the world needs will turn out to be your mission. What the world needs and what you can get paid for will be your vocation, the things that you're going to be doing. And then what you're good at, what you can get paid for, turns out to be your profession. The best way to do so is to go to ChatGPT or any AI tool and just allowing them to give you an entire Ikigai. Now here's what goes a little deeper, as we will discuss later in the video as well. We'll come back to this. Let's understand the golden circle. Now, when we try to find out the golden circle, there's this thing that Simon Sinek said, that a lot of people in this world, they know what they want to do. They also probably know the process on how to do it. But very few people in this world know why they want to do it in the first place. Now, we're going to go through some amazing examples here. But before that, let's just go through. The why is, let's even have this conversation right now. Why do you go for work every day? Why do you get up in the morning? Why do you really believe whatever it is that you believe? And you go deep. How do you fulfill your belief? Like, what are the things that you tend to do? And then what sets you apart from all the others? And then as you go through your what do you fulfill? What is that belief all about? Or what are you offering to the world? You see? Now, what the biggest companies in this world have done, and it's insane how they've all got this entire thing figured out, because once you figure out your Ikigai with your golden circle, you will be able to find out something that is called as your mission statement, vision statement, code of honor, and core values. That is what is going to be the fuel for your communication. Even right now, as I'm speaking, you see, I just have this mind map in front of me, which you can see, or even the fact that I'm speaking to you, you'll be able to feel my energy. I don't have this scripted at all. I just have the points, but you will be able to feel it, because deep down, I have my mission, vision, values, and why completely sorted, which I will also share with you as we progress in the video. So that's about the Ikigai and the golden why. Now let's move to the Ikigai examples. And again, we are still in step number 1. Okay. This is a table. Again, I've used ChatGPT's help to compile this particular list, where you will see the name of the most famous companies which we all knowingly or unknowingly tend to use, and the mission, vision, why, what, and how of all these companies. And you'll be blown away. Think about this. Let's go. PepsiCo. The mission says, create more smiles with every sip and every bite. Vision, be the global leader in convenient foods and beverages by winning with purpose. The why, to provide refreshment and sustainable growth while supporting the communities, the environment, and stakeholders. What, manufactures, market, and distributes beverages and snack foods. How, they create obviously cold drinks, Lay's, Quaker, Tropicana, Mountain Dew, all these different food and beverages, right? Now the same way, you look at Google Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Tata, Reliance Jio, Samsung, Udemy. Udemy is a platform of learning. All these things has their own specific, every single company in this planet who are the top in this world have their mission, vision, their core values through the why, how, and what sorted. Now, obviously, you can definitely find the link of this particular mind map if you join the description channel, the channel where I'm building a closed community of like-minded people. All the notes will be posted over there. So make sure that you join to get a copy of this. Again, you'll be able to find all of this by default if you check it individually as well. But yeah, I've compiled it all for you. So now with these examples, you might be asking yourself, okay, now how do I really find out all of these things? And the best way to do so is I've compiled a series of 21 questions. Okay, the 21 questions, what I would love for you to do is go to ChatGPT, the voice feature. So download ChatGPT in your phone, and as you log in, you will see that on the bottom left there will be a voice feature. So click on that voice feature and just copy these questions. So let me just try and see if I can do that. So if I go to my chat GPT, and I hope you can see the screen, I'll just go to a completely new this thing as well by default. Let me, yeah. So help me find my Ikigai, okay, by asking me these questions, okay. And I'm just going to copy all the questions over there. There you go. Okay, there you go. All the questions are copied, and then I'm going to send it. So now ChatGPT is going to help you really decode all of those questions. Okay. Now what you can do is here are you able to see the voice mode. Okay. So you can even do it in your laptop, again in your system. Turn on the voice and start answering each of those things. What ChatGPT will do will analyze all your answers, and then by the end of it, hopefully, you will also have a crystal clear detail about your entire Ikigai analysis and reporting done as well. And along with that, what you can also do, and this is the challenge that I have for you. The first is, of course, have the AI powered communication, like I mentioned. Okay. Number two, map it out in an Excel sheet and try to be as clear as possible. So if I show you my screen here, check this out. This is an Excel sheet. I will see if I can add this Excel sheet link also in the description so that you can check it out as well. So I have my why, my what, and my how crystal clear. Okay, my simple why is I help people become a better version of themselves. That's it. It took me a lot of grinding to find that out, but yeah, again, AI can help you do it. The what, again, I'm making videos, I'm creating courses, I have one-to-one sessions, I do all these transformative workshops and virtual as well as physical training workshops, which helps people to do so. Now, how do I do it? Again, the way I record the videos, right now I'm recording this particular video I'm using mind map. There are a lot of courses, content all across. Okay. Now my vision statement, again, it's pretty simple: revolutionizing education and employment space through entertainment, energetic, eternal joy. So you'll always see that there's a smile in my face. Again, as you go through, again, one more tab, this is the next tab there. I have created an exclusive Ikigai tab, and this is a very, very interesting one. What do I love? It's like a brain dump. Every single thing that I love, I put it through. As you can see, there are 44 things in this world that I love. Okay. What am I good at? 49 things. Okay. Then you have, what does the world needs? So every single world will have their different people. So for example, let's just say if I want to help people with communication. So dentists require a different set of communication. I graduated as a dentist. Maybe working professionals require a different set of communication skills. You have parents, relatives, CEOs, CXOs. So different worlds, right? And then what does this particular world need? So let's just say if there is a lawyer, they might have the power of rhetoric questioning as the core communication competency that they will be looking at. So I just broke that entire thing down of what the world needs into two parts, and then of course, what can I be paid for? So if you check the screen, I can be paid for keynote speeches, YouTube content, Udemy courses, writing blogs, helping people, coaching people, mentoring people to take action, freelance gigs, creating books and ebooks on Canva. So all these different things, every possibility, you can put it down in that brain dump and even have that as and upload to your chat GPT so that chat GPT can analyze every single thing that you do. So to summarize every single thing that we went through, if we go back to the mind map, the first thing we learned what is Ikigai and what is the golden why. Some examples of some of the best companies and biggest companies in this planet. We understood what are the top 21 questions that you need to ask and how to use ChatGPT to answer the same. Oh, a lot of things are being covered. So now at the end, if you have liked this video and watched until now, do ensure that you check out the next video. I'll see you in the next one.